What going on YouTube? It's your boy Eddie and I'm back with another I know you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title of this video, y'all. You know what's going down, yeah. But hold on, I know this video is out of my league, but I found this information needful and useful, so I felt the need to just come and share with you guys, because I've been there for real, like since the days of iPhone 5s. I haven't been able to make any payment online with my Apple account. So and I've been dipping out on that, but it got to a point, bro, like I needed solution because I've been missing out a lot. I had to do some research. Shout out to Engineer Ted for actually letting me know about this app, Cheaper Cash. I tried it at first, it didn't work. I had to do more research and finally it worked for me, yeah. So I was very happy. Yesterday was one of the best days of my life, not just for me, for my friend also, because I told him about the app. He was like, bro, because he had his own case was quite different, because he had a card he was using before, but for some reasons it stopped working. He has been trying different options, it hasn't been working for him. Apple was at the very edge of losing a subscriber. So I told him about the Cheaper Cash. He was like, you already know about the app. He tried that, it didn't work for him. He uninstalled the app. I was like, hold on, do it this way. And he actually did, and it worked for him within 15 minutes. Bro was very happy yesterday, and myself, I was also happy. We were both happy yesterday. I was like, man, it makes sense, y'all. I think I need to come and share this information with you guys, because I know some of you guys out there might be going through the same struggle or something, or maybe your friends. I was like, bro, I need to do this because I love you guys, and if I see what's going to benefit any of you guys, I'll always come and share with you guys, which is why I'm here today. Speaking on that, yeah, we just hit 1K subscribers, guys. Yes, sir. Thank you guys for working with me this time. I didn't see this coming. It was so fast, but thank you guys so much. I appreciate that. But before we get into this video, y'all, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to turn your post notifications on, because you don't want to miss out on our videos, because the only thing we do on here is to drop bangers. See you guys on the video. What's up, guys? So to make it work, you need to have these 4 things down. You need to have your Cheaper Cash app. You need to have your means of identification. Could be your NIN, could be your driver's license, could be your national passport. Number 3 is funding, because you definitely need to fund the account. You need to have some Benjamins inside. Number 4 is the master, the USD card. You definitely need that one too to make it work. So let's get started. Alright guys, let's take it step by step. So the first thing we need to do is to download the app, of course. Click the link in the description box. It will take you to your Apple Store or your Play Store. Once you are done downloading the app, the next thing you need to do is to register. Make sure the details you are providing is the same details on your ID you'll be using, to avoid taking forever to verify you. Once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to head on to identification. Pick any identification you want to use, your NIN, your driver's license, your national passport. Once you are done with that, then you need to wait for an hour to 24 hours. Trust me, it won't be more than that. Within an hour to 24 hours, your account will be verified. Once it's verified, then you are good to go. Congratulations. All you need to do is to click on your balance up there, request to see your account details, and it will be given to you ASAP. Once it's given to you, the next thing you need to do is to fund. Send in some Naira to your account. Then, because USD card costs just 2,000 Naira, why the Naira card is just 1,000 Naira, I mean to say. But on this case, all you need to use is your USD card, which is just 2,000 Naira, but you need to fund more than that though. Then once you are done funding, head on to your card, click card right there, They will ask you to verify once again. Use the same ID you used to verify your main account. Within an hour to 24 hours again, you'll be verified straight up. Once you're verified, claim any card you want to use. I will advise you to claim the USD card as well, and your details will be given to you straight up. Then fund your USD card from your main account with the least $2. You are fine. It won't just go away, but you just have to be there. Once you're done with that, so head on to your profile settings, click on payment and shipping, then add your card details and you are good to go. But in any ways, if you are having an error message which says cannot verify payment information, contact Apple support for more information. Don't be scared. There is a solution to that. All you need to do is you have to head on to Apple's website, or click the link in the description box. It will lead you to Apple support straight. Chat with Apple support, and I will also advise you to, in other ways to get a very quick response, you can chat with them within 10 a.m. to 3 to 4 p.m. They will respond to you ASAP. Tell them what error message that you are having. They will tell you what to do. But in other ways, if you're having this similar issue, they would give you a website or a link to go and update your profile. Once you update your profile, maybe you misplaced your first and second name or whatever, arrange it properly and you are good to go. Head on back to your settings and add your card. That's the end. You are a free man. So that's the end of today's video. But once you are done with that, don't forget to always come back and tell us your experience, if this video was helpful, how the process was for you, if it was a smooth one. We would love to know. And that's all for now. Thank you all for watching. I believe this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on this video as well. See you guys on the next video. Peace.